So then how does a logo kind of fit into that brand identity?
Oftentimes, logo will be the first thing someone sees. To go along with my own example with Starbucks, you're more likely to notice the logo before you notice the trim, all along the walls. And so while it could encompass a whole lot of things, um, what it often does come down to is like the logo and the graphic design elements around that. Um, a logo should be able to work almost as a stand-in for the rest of your branding and your brand identity. When you see the Starbucks logo, you can see being inside a Starbucks. You know what that looks like. You know what experience you're going to have because they've got a consistent drinks, beverages, and like food items to eat. You know what experience you're going to have because you have experience with that. And so in that way, Starbucks logo kind of stands in for their brand identity. And as consumers have more experience with your brand, they will start to feel that brand identity more as they just even look at the logo.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I know that we attach certain things to those logos too, right? And value them at a really like high rate. Going once
Mhm.
again, going back to that Starbucks example, people will buy Starbucks because of how it makes them feel and makes them
Mhm.
look, right? And I know I'm guilty of that. Like I've done that with snowboarding brands or definitely coffee. I really
Right.
like coffee, and so I'll do that too. Of like, oh, I want to buy the Monster because that looks cooler. Oh, I want to get Starbucks because of the way it makes me look and stuff.